Hello, Tesfaye here from the Tutorial Academy. Thank you for coming to this video series. This is Afaan Oromo for communication purposes. We're dealing with different topics that are helpful for communicate in Afaan Oromo. So this recently we started dealing with time in the calendar. Today we continue on that video and be with me. We see time of the day. What are the times we have? Time slots we have in a day that we're gonna see in a just single day. We have different times. That's starting from the morning to down. That's called bari. Normally this is before 5 in the morning. Bari. Morning is ganama or ware dura. We'll see what ware dura means very soon. Morning is typically ganama. Noon, ware. So ware dura means that is AM. That is before noon. Noon is ware, and afternoon is sometimes called chapsa or ware boda. That is afternoon. Ware boda. That's the time afternoon. Evening, galgala. Night is called alkan. Midnight is called wari. These are time markers actually. Just like English, we have those time markers on a single day. So we have very associations between some people's names and these times, because people's names are given on the time they were born. For example, like there is a man called Bari in a name, Ware, okay, Ganamo, and also called Galgalo. And also somebody calls Wari or Wario. So that's the name of people based on the time they were born. Okay. Also, we need to know this day before yesterday. The day before yesterday is called Engadda. So yesterday is called Kalesa. Today is Har'a. Tomorrow is called Bor. The day after tomorrow is called Borole. Sometimes people write in just one word, Borole. So these are also very important to know. Okay, so we can put this in some sentences. Let me. In the evening, galgala wal argina. Galgala means evening, as we have seen. Galgala wal argina. Come in the morning. Ganama kottu. Ganama means morning. Ganama kottu. It is hot in the afternoon. Ware boda ni hoa. Ware boda, you know, it is afternoon. Ware boda ni hoa. Hoa, it means hot. It is already midnight. Wari ta'era. Wari, midnight. Wari ta'era. Okay, also we can say some sentences. They left Sunday night. Dilbata alkan deeman. I know you are struggling because we didn't cover this. We'll come to this just like as introduction for you. So Sunday is Dilbata. She came Monday morning. Wixata ganama dhufte. I will come tomorrow. Boran dhufa. He will come the day after tomorrow. Bor'oolee dhufa. Bor'oolee dhufa. He will come the day after tomorrow. Bor'oolee dhufa. It rained yesterday and before yesterday. Kaleessas dheengaddas roobeera. Kaleessas dheengaddas roobeera. Kaleessa is yesterday. Dheengadda is day before yesterday. Roobeera. That's how we say it. So other thing is how to say time. It's very, very important. I don't want you to confuse, but I give you a clue. Okay. And generally in Ethiopian calendar, there is no 24-hour time calendar. So it is 12 night, 12 day. And a single day starts in the morning from 6. So when it is 7, it is just 1 hour a day in a day. So it ends before that. So when it is in the morning, tomorrow morning, 5, 6, it is the end of the yesterday's day. So this moment, for example, where the time I'm recording this is in the evening, it is still the previous day and continue be this day even after midnight. That is how it is usually understood. So one day whole and the next night is just as considered as one day, but the night is never being considered a part of a day. So one day is usually considered just the 12 days time. The day's time, the bright time is just as one day. The night time is only in the calendar that we have. Otherwise, in the traditional time calendar, one day is 12 hours. It is only the bright time, the daytime. Okay, if you say again, because it started from 6 in the morning, so there's no idea that you can get 10 Ware Dura. So this is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. is not in Ethiopian calendar and in no official Ethiopian calendar. So there is no 10 in the morning. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the morning. Okay, starts from 7, but 7 is 1 o'clock, 2, 8, and so on. And midday is not 12, but it is just 6. So for Wareboda is time is 10 that time. That is the actual official calendar. So there is no 4 p.m. Okay, it is not 4 in the evening. 4 is in the morning only, and 10 is in the afternoon. Okay. So if they say galgala sa'a kudha tokko, galgala sa'a kudha tokko means this is afternoon. Galgala means night. It means afternoon. It means actually not midnight, but it is 5 p.m. Sa'a kudha tokko. Halkan sa'a shan. Halkan sa'a shan means halkan is night. So halkan sa'a shan, when they halkan sa'a shan, it means 11 p.m. just 1 hour before midnight. Okay. Ganama sa'ati kudha tokko. They say ganama sa'ati kudha tokko. Usually they say this. Ganama sa'ati kudha tokko means this is morning, but it is not 11, but it is 5 a.m. in the morning. So I don't want to confuse you, but just to give you a little bit clue about that. Thank you very much for listening. And if you have questions, you can ask, you can write your answer, your questions in the comment, and I will try to reply to you as soon as possible. In the next video, we will also see some more about time in the calendar. Thank you for being with me, and have a nice time. Bye bye.